Hey everybody, Noah Luke here with MarineMax in St. Pete, and today we have the privilege to stand on a 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX. And what you'll see throughout this video is that Sea Ray completely redesigned the 270 SDX, almost transferring the walkthrough, which used to be in the center of the boat, toward the port side, and we'll show you what it does. Immediately when I step on the Sea Ray 270 SDX, I noticed the Mercury 400 V10, and to get this boat on plane, it's a matter of seconds before you're out there cruising around. The 400 has a bigger prop, it's got more torque, 10 cylinders, it's ready to play. In the back of the boat, you'll see that we do have a freshwater nozzle for when you do get off of the sandbar and you want to rinse off. Otherwise, just a ample amount of storage room to hang out, relax, and enjoy your day. Coming into the cockpit of the boat, you'll see that Sea Ray kept their traditional L-shaped seating, allowing anybody to entertain on this boat. I mean, this could easily fit 8 to 10 people comfortably going out for a day cruise. Storage underneath this compartment, this whole thing does lift up. Cup holders throughout the boat, wireless phone charging areas, plenty of speakers to have that fusion audio rocking out loud. And if you're anything like my wife for a 2-day trip who brings 5 suitcases, you have a ton of day storage right here. In the beginning of the video, we spoke about what Sea Ray has done to reimagine the 270 SDX. They've taken the center walkthrough and shoved it more toward the port side. And what that does is it allows 2 people here at the helm to navigate and relax comfortably while you're riding. But more importantly, in here is the head compartment, and you'll have way more space than the old 2024 and previous 270 SDX models. When you're at the sandbar backed in, the co-captain's chair does pull through, and then a button on the bottom here secures this, and you can pull this back, creating an ample amount of room for everybody to entertain. As I head to the bow of the boat here, the first thing that I notice is that on the new Sea Ray 270, this is more of a squared platform, and it allows this bow area to have just more area to entertain, relax, hang out. Where in the traditional Sea Ray 270 you would have more of a pointed bow here, this middle seat was basically lost. So now you can have one more person up here relaxing, entertaining. And of course, we can't forget to mention that there is a beach boarding ladder and a windlass anchor. Thanks for tuning in today to discover the reimagined Sea Ray 270 SDX. My name's Noah Luke with MarineMax in St. Pete. You can reach me at 813-277-8105. See you out in the water.